SavvySoft Stars makes it simple to perform sophisticated counterparty credit risk calculations, or CVA adjustments. Counterparty credit risk is how much money you might lose if your counterparty goes bankrupt. Money will be lost when the net value of the trades with that counterparty is positive. This is like the other side of value at risk, or VAR, which measures how much money will be lost when the net value of the trades is negative. We will first open up the STARS Reports module and select the credit exposure configuration, which tells STARS we want to view the report as credit exposure. Many configurations can be stored for different report types. We then specify which set of data we will use for the calculation, since STARS can store many sets for different uses. Then, we tell which portfolio or instrument to report on. In this case, it's just a single instrument. And then we load the results. STARS uses scenarios for counterparty credit risk measurement, which is the market standard. Many what-if scenario paths are generated from many points in the future out several years. The scenarios can be generated using historical market movements or Monte Carlo simulation. The relevant trades are all valued in each scenario and aggregated according to whatever netting agreement is in place with the counterparty. With STARS, any complex netting and collateral agreements can be easily specified. In this example, we're looking at the credit exposure of a single trade. This table is displaying the value of the trade in each scenario across many quarters. At the bottom, STARS displays the 95th percentile highest value of the trade, which represents the largest planned for loss that will occur if the counterparty defaults in that time period. Of course, larger losses can occur, but the concept of CVA is to adjust based on a reasonable loss level. With STARS, the percentile can be adjusted to any level required. It's interesting to view a graph of the potential exposures over time. The length of the line shows the range of possible gains and losses at each time period, with the tick mark showing us the 95th percentile. Notice that since this is a swap, the range gets smaller at the end as it approaches maturity, and is largest in the middle of its life. The credit risk calculation has one more step, which is to multiply the potential losses by the probability, in each time period, that the counterparty will default. Here we select that last step, and the CVA, or credit exposure, is displayed. This represents the amount that we might expect to lose in those situations where the counterparty goes bankrupt.